show you all how this DoorDash Plus Plus app works, and then I'll go ahead and show you all how to download it on iOS and Android. This tutorial is going to be pretty easy. It just will take about like 5 minutes or so, so make sure you guys do fully watch until the end. That way you don't miss out on anything important. But really quick, I just wanted to show you guys how this actually does work and show you proof that I'm able to get free DoorDash food. So we're going to go over to the DoorDash Plus Plus account here, and as you guys can see, it does say account plus plus, and if I show you the app logo plus plus, that's how you know that this is the modded version. But if you come over here to where it says, where is it? It's going to say payment, guys. So as you can see, tap on payment, and you see this button here that says add. Well, check this out, guys. So currently I have $0 worth of DoorDash credits, right? But look, you see the add button? Well, every time you tap on it, it actually adds $10 straight to your account. And that's like free credits that you're going to be able to use on any amount of orders that you want. So there's no limit to this. You can just keep on adding money as much as you want. And I know it says can be applied only in the USA. But basically this DoorDash Plus Plus actually winds up bypassing that limitation. And you're actually able to use this anywhere in the world as long as DoorDash, you know, is supported in region. Because obviously there has to be people, you know, working for the app to go ahead and deliver your order. But yes, we could do this in a limited amount of times, guys. As you can see, we're now at $40. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how to download this app. Now we're gonna at $50. So now I can pretty much get as many orders as I want for free. Most of the time, my orders are averaging out to like $20 to $30 if I'm really hungry. So yeah, I'm able to now go ahead and get 2 meals for practically free, which is pretty awesome. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you all exactly how to download this DoorDash Plus Plus app, so you guys can go ahead and get started with getting your free food and stuff like that. But first step that we have to go and do, guys, is just to make sure that our device that we're on is ready for the download. And what I mean by this is we just have to go ahead and make sure that, you know, we change some settings on our iOS and Android device to make sure it is compatible with the app download. So first we'll go ahead and change the iOS settings, and then if you're on Android, I'll show you guys what to do if you are on an Android device. But anyways, if you're on iOS, go ahead and open up the settings app. Then here you guys are going to want to scroll down until you find battery. Alright, so here in battery we're going to look for the low power mode option. And you guys are simply just going to want to make sure you have this turned off. So as you all can see, I have it off right now, so that's perfect. And you know it's off because if it's on your battery icon, it'll be like yellow. So just make sure you guys have that off. And once you've done that, you're going to want to come over here to General. And then in General, go ahead and find the background app refresh setting. And what you guys are going to want to do here is just make sure you have this setting turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So, oops, sorry about that, guys. So as you can see, oh my god, man, sorry about that, guys. I really don't want to edit this video, but anyways, as you can see, we have Wi-Fi and cellular data option turned on. That's what you guys want to have on like that. So perfect. Now the last thing we have to go ahead and check for, guys, is you're going to want to come over here to the about section on your general options, and you're just going to want to make sure that the software version on your iOS device is above iOS 10. Now I'm on 14.3, so I'm good to go. If you are below iOS 10 though, guys, listen up because this is very important. You will not be able to download DoorDash Plus Plus. What you're going to have to do, though, if you still want to get the app, is you will have to upgrade your iOS device to above iOS 10, which should take you about like 10 minutes to go ahead and do, and then you can come back to this video. But like I said, if you're below iOS 10, unfortunately, you will not be able to download the app, guys. But if you're on an Android device, we also have to go ahead and change some settings really quick. So what you guys are going to want to do is open up the settings app on your Android device and come over here to where it says battery. Alright, so in battery, there's going to be like 2 settings that we have to go ahead and change, guys. The first one is going to be battery saver. You're just going to want to make sure you guys have this turned off. And once you've done that, you're going to want to look for where it says adaptive battery, and you're going to want to also make sure you guys have this off as well. And that will be all the settings that we have to change on our Android device. Now, if you do not see these settings on your Android phone, you can actually just go ahead and skip that step entirely instead of worrying about it. But anyways, guys, now let's move on to the next part of the process, which is actually just to go ahead and download the DoorDash Plus Plus app, which is pretty easy to do. Now, like I did say, guys, this is a tweaked app, which means you will not be able to get it from like the App Store or the Google Play Store, but I know a really easy way to download this app, guys. So